Crowdsourcing is the process of getting work or funding, usually online, from a crowd of people. The word crowdsourcing is a combination of crowd and outsourcing, which is defined as the act of outsourcing tasks traditionally performed by an employee or contractor to an undefined large group of people or community through an open call. It is best applied when attempting to solve complex problems in an innovative way or streamline intricate process. The term crowdsourcing was first used by Jess Ho in 2006 in an article for Wire magazine. Crowdsourcing has become a significant tool for organizations to use in a range of areas, including data collecting, operational efficiencies, and issue solving in general. Many companies have been able to scale at an unprecedented rate as a result of this strategy, which has changed entire industry. There are 8 steps in crowdsourcing process that needed to identify, including company has problem, company broadcast problem online crowd is asked to give solution, crowd submit solution, crowd vet solution, company reward winning solver, company own winning solution, and company profits.
Next is type of crowdsourcing. There are 4 types of crowdsourcing, which is crowdfunding, the collective efforts of individuals through networks and pool their money, usually via the internet. In a re-examinations context, crowdfunding could enable non-related industries to pool resources for a large-scale re-examinations efforts. Next, the wisdom of the crowd. The process of taking into the account the collective opinions of a group of individuals rather than single experts to answer a question. It is relating to prior art analysis. Next, micro work. Micro work denotes very small amounts of work for very low amounts of pay, which is comprise a large unified project and are completed by many people over the internet. Such specialize in connecting remote workers with businesses that have need of short-term freelance workers. Last but not least, crowdsourcing. Crowdsourcing's creative work. It spans sourcing's creative projects such as graphic designs, architectures, apparel design, writing, illustrations, and many more. It relates to the pure art sessions.
There were a lot of benefits that we can gain from crowdsourcing. For example, the organization can discover a wider range of talent that might be present in its organization. This is because crowdsourcing involves requesting ideas and knowledge. We can also turn customers into designers. Consumer-submitted ideas are more creative and for good reason. Instead of having a pool of 6 people in the organization sharing thoughts and ideas, we could have a pool of thousands of ideas. These ideas all driven by people who have passion and experience in products, and all offer new perspectives to consider. Even the most creative team has a limit to their ideas. Taking advantage of a larger pool of ideas is a great tool to get ahead of the competition to make a product that truly shines. In addition, it also can generate compelling customers' insights. Crowdsourcing can help the organization to get a rich source of customer data. For companies like Starbucks, with its My Starbucks Idea portal, crowdsourcing is much more than just a way to get a great new ideas. By collecting and analyzing information about participants, Starbucks can also gather extremely valuable customer profile information. For example, what are the core demographics of those submitting, and which communication mediums are best for connecting with these individuals. Crowdsourcing is not just about getting access to the best ideas, but it's also about finding ideas as quickly as possible. When business solve problems internally, they are constrained by how fast their employees can work. By inviting a wider pool of people to participate in the process, companies can get great ideas in far shorter time frame. For time-sensitive projects like medical research or emergency software patches, This can make all the difference to project success, and the problem can be explored at comparatively little cost.
There are a few problems arise in crowdsourcing. Firstly, quality. Every organization needs to concern about the quality of solution. What if the organization put a lot of time and effort into conducting a crowdsourcing, but at the end nothing to showing for it? Secondly, intellectual property leakage. This problem has the potential to become disaster if not managed properly. The organization needs to ensure the intellectual property rights of the winning idea are transferred to them directly after the completion of the challenge. Thirdly, there are not much control over the development or ultimate product. Then, there are no time constraints. After that, it will be with own employee. Lastly, choosing what to crowdsource and what to keep in-house.